guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. I'm having a good day, and I wanted to come to you really quickly to show you some things that I received in the mail. So first things first, ignore the scarf, okay? I'm laying my edges. So please just ignore the scarf. I'm trying to multitask. I'm swatching and laying at the same time. So yeah, anyway, so now that that's out the way, so you guys, recently I received these products from a company called Prestige Cosmetics, and they're a company that I follow on Instagram, and they were having a giveaway about 2 weeks ago for St. Patrick's Day, and I entered and I won. So they sent me some products, and I wanted to just come to you really quickly and swatch them for you guys. And for the most part, these products are in the color green because it's for St. Patrick's Day, which is great with me because green is one of my favorite colors. And me personally, I think green looks really, really pretty. I think it complements brown eyes very nicely, like green eyeshadow. So yeah, so I'm excited about that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you guys these products, and I'm going to swatch them real quick. And yeah, so let's get into it. Really quickly, before we do the swatches, I just wanted to tell you a little bit more about their products and their company. So it says, all of our products are developed using the latest technology and finest ingredients and comply with the highest manufacturing standards. They are made in the USA and Europe. All of our products are clinically tested to ensure consumer safety and are suitable for sensitive skin. Our products are not tested on animals. And all Prestige products are compliant with the FDA and the EU regulations and display the complete ingredient list. All of our products are shrink wrapped, have a safety seal or a folding carton for consumer protection and product safety. Mine's were. All products are free of GMOs, parabens, mineral oil, petrolatum, and sodium lauryl sulfate. And it says, as far as global distribution, Prestige Cosmetics products are sold through a wide range of channels, including specialty stores, pharmacies, department stores, and perfumeries in 54 countries worldwide. So they sound like a pretty reputable brand. I like what they stand for. I really appreciate the no animal testing, and also too the sensitive skin, because a lot of us out here, we have sensitive skin. So I think that's pretty cool, and it seems like they go above and beyond to make sure that they comply with all of these safety standards. So that's pretty great. So anyway, you guys, I'm going to get ready to do the swatches, and if you're interested in looking at this company and reading more about them, I will leave their website in the description box below. And yeah, let's get to the swatches. Okay, so the products came in this cute box that says Prestige Cosmetics on it. And when I opened the box, oh yeah, by the way, I've already opened it and looked at everything, and also too, everything had what is it called, protective wrapping on it, but I took it all off ahead of time because I just felt like it would just slow me down while I'm trying to swatch if I have to unwrap each item. So yeah, it came in this little box, and they they sent it to me like this, so cute, with all these cute little St. Patrick's Day coins and stuff like that. So I thought that was really cute. It's a nice little neat package. Also too, let's see. They sent me 6 items, and I'm going to tell you really quickly what each thing is, and then I'm going to swatch it for you. So the first item they sent me is called their Prestige Shadow Duo in the color Green Tea, and it looks like that. And next they sent me the Prestige Let Loose Duo Shimmering Shadow Dust, and it's in the color Lily Pad, and it's a duo. As you can see, one side is green and one side is like the champagne color. The next thing they sent me is the Soft Blend Kohl Eyeliner, and this was in the color Jet Black, so it's just a soft liner. Next, you guys, they sent me the Prestige Professional Eyeliner in the color Kiwi. And that's a really pretty green. I don't know if you guys can see that. Really, really pretty green. Next, they sent me, and I'm excited about this one because it looks so pretty. They sent the Total Intensity True Metals Eyeshadow in the color Gilded. And that is gold, and gold is another of my 3 favorite colors. So I love green, gold, and black, so I'm happy right now. And the last thing they sent me, you guys, is this liquid eyeliner in the color Envy, like green with envy. Love that. I don't own any green liquid eyeliners. So I'm going to swatch each thing one by one, and then, yeah, we'll talk about it afterwards. Ooh. So first I'm going to swatch the eyeshadow duo, the green tea eyeshadow duo. And I'm going to swatch each side and just put it on the back of my hand. Let's see. It's a little sheer. Let me try it again. It's really pretty. So that's the first color. I don't know if you guys can see that because it's a little sheer, but it's on my finger too. It's like a sheer green. It's really pretty though. But I can tell that I'm going to have to use a white base. I'm definitely going to have to use a white base underneath that green because, yeah, it's pretty sheer. This is really pretty. Okay, so I guess I didn't need to use a heavy hand with that one because that one came across real good. And as you can see, it sort of has a reflect of gold. It's really pretty. It's like a light pink. It looks white in the camera, but it's actually like a really, really light pink. And then it reflects to gold. That's really nice. That's really nice. Okay, and next, you guys, I'm going to do the, oh God, really? The Lily Pad Loose Duster. So, I wonder if these have two different names. I don't know. All right, so let's see this. So, basically, you guys, it's just like powder inside of here, and then this is like a little sponge applicator. Can you guys see that? And you just kind of put it on your eyelids like this. That's really pretty. This is similar to the color above it. It's just a little more pink. But yeah, it's pretty similar to the other color. All right. And then this is the other side, the green side. Ooh, you have to be careful because that dust gets everywhere. There's the green side. Oh, that's pretty. Now this one is a little more pigmented than the other one. This one is a different color too. It's like a darker green, and it's more pigmented. That's super pretty. All right, next, you guys, I'm going to show you the, well, I mean, it's a black liner, so like, it's not really much to show, but let's see. It does feel soft. It's pretty pigmented. It's okay. It's pretty nice. It does feel really, really soft though. Putting it on my skin, it's really soft. Next, I'm going to show you the Kiwi liner. That one feels soft too. That's nice. Ooh, I can't wait to play with these. I might have to do a, well, I can't do it right after this, but I might have to, when I get back tonight, do a video. All right, so this is the liquid liner in the color Envy. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. I cannot wait to put this on my eyes. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at that green. Yeah, I'm going to have to do a look. I'm going to have to make a video doing a look because I'm feeling these greens. I'm definitely feeling these greens. They're super, super pretty. And the golds too, like super pretty. All right, and last but not least, you guys, is the one that I have been waiting for, the eyeshadow. This color, oh, let me just show you guys. Look at that color. Oh, I love a good gold. Like, I love a good vivid gold. Oh, Jesus. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Yes, 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 and yes. Oh my goodness. Look at that gold. Oh, I cannot wait to play in this. Yes. Look at my finger. You guys, I cannot wait to put that on all over my eyelid. Like, seriously, I cannot. You know what's so crazy? I feel like this would be a bomb highlighter too. Just looking at it, this is screaming. You know what? I may not even put this on my eye. I may put this on my cheeks because that is so screaming highlighter to me. This is giving me all kinds of trophy wife vibes. Now, I don't own trophy wife, but from the, if you guys don't know, trophy wife is a highlighter from Rihanna's Fenty Beauty. But from the videos I've seen, it's like an intense gold like this. I'm pretty sure trophy wife is more intense, but yeah, it's similar. That's what I mean by it's giving me trophy wife vibes. Oh, I cannot wait to play this. That's crazy. So that was all of the items that they sent me, and I really want to give a nice big thank you to Prestige Cosmetics because that was really sweet of them. And yeah, you guys, I will be doing a look video with those products. And yeah, I guess that's about it. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Take care and have a good day. Bye.